Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to set alarm in my Motorola phones. Before starting the video, if you have not subscribed to our channel, then subscribe it and hit the like button for more videos. So let's start. First you have to go to the clock. You can search it from the search bar, and here it is a clock. This interface will show. You can set alarm in default, there is 2, and you can customize it also clicking on this plus option. Click on this plus option, then you have to just click on this and choose which hour you want to set, and then which minute, like 30 minutes, and choose a morning or evening, then press OK, and now it is set. And you can choose its ringtone, and or you can choose also it vibrate or not, like this, or you can delete also by tapping on this. You can use these ringtones like this and tap on this. It will show the tick sign to it is applied. And you can also choose your own by tapping add new option. Just click on add new option, and it is goes like tap on download, or you can select your own ringtone, and then it is selected. And you can also choose which day you want to set alarm, or you can choose Monday to Friday. I hope this video will help you. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel and like the video for more videos. Thanks for watching.